Hello, welcome back. In this video, we're going to cover the second part for Chapter 6, Paid Search Marketing. So how to write an ad copy and how to buy ad space, use what kind of metrics, okay? Since we are talking about Google search or search marketing, so here the ad copy means how to construct a good ad appearance on the search engine result page, right? So how to make good use of the limited space to illustrate or to showcase the information or the value the specific value you're offering, right? So how about the unique value proposition and why the viewers should make a click on on your website, right? So you need to as a good marketer, you need to make good use of the limited space and to show fully and to attract viewers to make a click, right? And to get a higher click-through rate. So first of all, we need to know the different parts for on the Google search result page. So how about the structure? So here's the basic structure. Actually, we already covered this part, but in somewhat a different way, right? In the previous chapter, we learned that SEO chapters, we know the most important page location, right? So similarly, here we are talking about the ads in search results, okay? Okay, so 5 parts. The first one is final URL. The final URL is not displayed on the ad, because usually the final URL is very, very long. So there's not enough space to show the details in the final URL. And the second part is headlines, 1 or 2. Sometimes there are also headline 3. And path. Path is you can consider it as an abbreviated URL. Description and ad extension. So let's take a look at it. So here is about a car quote, right? The first line. Sometimes Google changes its format. Sometimes now I remember that this path will be the first line, right? And first of all, let's take a look. So this ad copy on the search engine result page, there must be 2 characters before everything. It's AD, so it means advertisement. So it's advertisement copy from some marketer. Okay. So if you make a click here, you will be directed to the website, and the marketer usually will pay something to Google. Okay. Without ads, it means it's a green search. Okay. So this line, the green line, is something like a URL, right? But in most of times, it is not the actual final URL. But it will include some keywords here, and it will make the viewer be sure, oh, it is something I'm looking for. Okay, so they can make up their minds whether to make a click or not. And here's the description, like get a free quote from State Farm. And we also have some ad extension. Okay. So final URL, as I mentioned before, it's a destination URL. It will usually will not be shown on SERP. Headlines 1 or 2, so you can see the biggest font, the words, the line with the biggest font. State Farm car quote. Do you know how much you can save? It's up to 30 characters long. And the third one is paths. It's from the appearance, it's more like a URL. Description, it's up to 80 characters long. Add extension, you can use a review extension, a rating extension, or a site link extension. So you can choose any one of them, or you can make some combination of a different extension, only if it will entice more viewers or more clicks. Okay. There are other types of extension. The objective to use the ad extension is to offer more information to the viewers. Okay. There are some other type of PPC ads in SERP. PPC here means pay per click. Okay. Because it's paid search marketing, right? So it could be a shopping ads, like so here we can see if we use camping tents. So here we can see the first result would be our shopping ads. Different marketers, different types of camping tents, and different the prices, or different websites, and different ad extension, or description. Okay, as you like. You can choose as you like. Okay, and also sometimes you can see the ads on the right side. Or it could be a Google Map ads. Okay. Call only ads. Usually it only happens, most of times call only ads happens on mobile applications, or mobile Google, Google application apps. So you will get a phone and you can make a click and a call is made, will be made. Okay. So call only ads will activate a call to the marketer. Okay. Okay, let's talk about the writing effective copy. Mm, First of all, we need to keep or include keywords in different locations, right? Because keyword is the first thing the viewers to evaluate whether your website or your product service fits him or her or not, right? So remember, first of all, you need to include keywords in your ad, okay? And second one is unique value proposition. What is unique value proposition? You can consider it as the reason why the viewers should make a click, why the viewers must be very interested in your product or service. Why? Because it will save them money, or because it will be very convenient, or it will be very fancy, or it will be, um, reliable, or something else. So as you can see, unique value proposition, like as it states, UVP is the single thing that sets the site apart from competition. So give a reason for people to choose you, right? Okay. For instance, if someone is using car insurance quote as keyword to search some useful information, so here are 4 Google ads here. The first one, let's take a look at the first one. Geico car insurance could save you over $500. So $500 save you $500. It should be a unique value proposition, right? It's a good reason to choose Geico. Okay. So you can find some other things from other Google ads. Like the second one, State Farm. Okay, let's find its UVP. First of all, it's free, right? You will get a free quote from State Farm. Okay, it's one reason. So how about the second one? Is there another one to be UVP? Okay, maybe this is another one. A++, right? Superior ability. Okay. Okay. So usually you can find different UVP from different marketers. So you choose what you'd like to, get connections to. Okay. Call to action. It means include a verb like purchase now, or get a quote, or get a car insurance quote today. or something similar. Okay, that's the first part. How to writing an ad copy. How to write a Google ad copy. First of all, include the keyword. Second, give some reason for people to choose you. So UVP, unique value proposition. Third, you need to call an action. So be energetic, right? To push people, kind of push people to make their choice. Okay. And second part is how to buy ad space. So first of all, it's ad rank. Ad rank means why your advertisement should be listed on the first page, why not the second page, and why you are listed. Your advertisement is only listed as the third one, not the first one. There are some considerations like bid amount. So how much money you pay Google for your advertisement. Quality score. Quality score means how about your the expected click-through rate. How's your ad relevance? How about the viewers experience the landing page of your website? So usually in all of these three metrics will be evaluated based on the historical data, right? So here, as we can see that the ad ranking is not only only related to bid amount about how much money you pay for, but also it is related with quality score. Okay, so keep that in mind. Here's a very old video for you to get some basic idea. So what is ad rank and what is for? If you are interested in, you can click it. Let's focus on the bidding price. Okay. So first of all, we call it as CPC, so cost per click. CPC bidding. There are two types of CPC. So the maximum CPC and actual CPC. Maximum CPC is the price. It means the price the marketers is willing to pay Google for the advertisement. The largest amount of money. Okay, the highest number. It means if the cost exceeds this maximum CPC, the marketer will will not pay for it. The marketer would rather give up, right? Because it's too expensive for it. So maximum CPC means the greatest amount of money the marketer is willing to pay. Okay? And actual CPC means the amount the marketer ends up paying when the ad is clicked. Okay. This could be different, or it could be equal to each other. But usually, actual CPC is always not greater than the maximum CPC. Okay, so here's an example. So for instance, the maximum CPC is $3 per click. And ad one, same quality as yours, bid to $2. So let's think about this scenario. So there are only two marketers or two advertisements with different CPC bidding price. So your competitor bid at $2 for the ad space, and you give your maximum CPC is $3 for this ad space. So what will be the result? First of all, you will get the ad space. Why? Because you bid at $3, but your competitor only bid at $2. So your bidding price is greater, is more than the price of your competitor, right? And the second one, you do not need to pay this ad space at $3. Why? Because only if you pay a little bit more than your competitor, you will get that space. You will get it. Okay. So in the end, you have to bid $2.01 in order to rank higher than ad one. If there are only two marketers, including you, at the market, you will only pay $2 plus 1 cent. Okay, so here the maximum CPC is $3, and the actual CPC is $2 plus 1 cent. Okay. And there are another type of bidding form. So we call it as a cost per acquisition. Pay for each conversion, pay for each deal. Okay. So CPA has to be much higher than CPC. Why? Because not every click leads to one deal, right? For instance, if we think that the conversion rate is only 1%, usually it means every 100 clicks leads to one deal. So in that case, CPA must be 100 times as CPC. Okay. Okay, in the next video, we are going to talk more about how to calculate, we're going to do some maths about CPC, CPA, impression, and clicks, the number of clicks, and the bidding price. And we will make use of some knowledge we have already learned from the previous chapters. Okay, we'll come back soon. Thank you.